TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 8. You get the NASDAQ up 3. S&Ps are off 5.5. Gold contract trading up 80 cents, $13.56 an ounce. We have silver down 6 cents, $16.73. Light sweet crude off 19 cents, $61.15 a barrel. Notes: 10-year note up 7 ticks, 120.21. 30-year bond up 21, 144.21. Now let's go over to that 10-year. So the 10-year, as the 30-year, it's been trying to put in a bottom. It hasn't caught a bid in 2 months, folks. Bottom line, it would make sense that it catches a bid. Number one, we'll see whether it's a dead cat bounce. Bottom line, we'll see how this shakes out. We're going into a 3-day weekend. The 30-year is inside its larger range, not larger range, inside the higher range. We're at 120.21. We'll see whether that's on the 10-year. It's just getting inside that range. We'll see whether it can get any traction as we go through the day. 30-year bond, you're up 22 ticks. You're at 144.22. Bottom line, 30-year bond is just also coming inside that range, and we'll see whether that can get any traction. When we take a look at the 10-year yield, you are yielding out here at 2.860. The high thus far is 2.9. So bottom line is that you're right next to that magic 3% mark, and it's not that it's magic, but let me tell you, psychology-wise, it's a big number. Gold contract, what do we have with gold? Gold contract out here, trading sideways. You get good volume, though. We got 139,000 contracts in the gold market. You've hit 1364 overnight. If we go over to that dollar, what you're going to see with the dollar index got into a low of 88.150. You've rejected that low. Bottom line, looks like it's going to be a counter trend bounce up here. We'll see whether the dollar can basically keep price. Some of the higher volume stocks out here, what you're going to have out here is this. I expect what you're going to see is that you're going to see the market not hold price today. What you have, this was a fast counter trend bounce, no two ways about that. If we get open, we take a look at the SPY. What you're going to see with the SPY got to a price point today of 273.46. Bottom line, it's trying to get into the downdraft from the 5th, which is 275.85. What I expect you're going to see out here, you're going to close under the 272.36. That's going to be a failure on price and volume on the daily and on the weekly. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.